boxes 1, 2, 3, and 4. Our executives here will draw the numbers from the boxes to create a combination of numbers. The winner will be determined by the combined numbers from the draw, and guests to refer to their and the guests here are supposed to refer to your entry number as the basis of the raffle draw. Naiintindihan po ba? Yes. Okay? Are you ready, everyone? Okay. Eto na. Let's begin with the first number to be drawn by our provincial sales head, Mr. Jeff Villamor. Sir, kindly. Ayan na. Doon tayo sa tatabihan natin si Sir Jeff. Sa box number 1. Sir Jeff. Gusto mo, may tanong Sir Jeff, may pasayaw ba? Gusto sumayaw mo na ni Sir Jeff. Sir Jeff, are you ready? Sasayaw. To pick the number. Let's do this, Sir Jeff. 1, 2, 3. Four. Sino may number 4 dito? Meron? Alright, number 4. First number po yan. Next. Alright. Alright. Sir Soon? Okay, we have Sir Soon here. And of course, Ma'am Rina and Sir Noel. Ayan sila. I just had to mention the names. Don't worry, guys. Next number to draw the next number. To draw the next number is the third number. So, Miss Rina, you have the task, the glorious task of drawing that third number. Miss Rina, are you ready? Ready? Hold on to your numbers. 1, 2, 3. 3. Alright, meron 3 dito. Meron na. Alright. Meron ba? Meron? Alright. Sir Noel here. And then Sir Noel here will be drawing the second number. So,